Okay, tatlong bayong po yan. Mr. Garcia, isang bayong. Piliin nyo na. What do you want? What color? Red, blue, or white? White, blue, or red? Come on!
Tandaan po, may kotse dyan, brother car. Dinonate po yan ni Mr. Orlan Colliantes.
Mr. Orlan Colliantes, what? Donated by Mr. Orlan. Thank you very much. Mr. Orlan Colliantes, okay.
Give me the blue.
Blue, okay. Let's have the blue. Okay. Ito natin. Forward natin yung blue. Okay.
Blue. Eto na, papi, ang inaabangan ng lahat.
Alright, here it is.
Blue. Eto na si Lo